Hello, everyone, and thank you for joining me on yet another presentation. It's that time of the month again when Alberta has announced its latest processing information, and along with that, it has also declared the latest expression of interest draw results. So, the first draws of 2025 has happened, and the results are out now for us to have a look. So, we will go through individual streams and then come to the expression of interest part. So we all know that for 2025, 4875 nominations have been allocated to Alberta, which is almost a 50% drop from the last year. As far as AOS is concerned, they are currently processing applications from June of 2024, so almost like 8-9 months backed up. 450 nominations have been issued till date, and 2142 applications are processed. Please keep in mind that these 450 nominations could have been issued from the applications that were pending from last year. So even though 450 expression of interest have not been selected for the invitation to apply, still the nomination numbers are high. So always when you're looking at the nomination number, keep in mind that these nominations are results of applications that happened last year. Rural renewal stream, 52 nominations have been issued till date, and right now they are processing from February of 2024. So imagine for people who are without a work permit, they are getting processed from almost more than a year back. So rural renewal stream, if you don't have a work permit, most probably you're not working in Canada, you are applying based on a job offer from outside Canada or outside Alberta, the waiting time for that is more than a year now. Okay, and then 5th June for applicants with a work permit who are expiring in 2025. Tourism and hospitality stream currently processing from November 27th, 2024, and 11 nominations have been issued for 2025. Dedicated healthcare pathway, no nominations have been issued, but applications are also very low. And right now, 7th December 2024 is the processing date. So not much backed up, like just over a couple of months backed up. As far as the Alberta Express Entry stream is concerned, I don't see any nominations issued till now. However, the number of application process is steadily increasing. Accelerated Tech Pathway has 259 applications, and they are being processed as around April of 2024. So this is also quite backed up as compared to the rural renewal stream. So rural renewal stream is in February. Where is it? Here it is, February, and the tech pathway is in April of 2024. So pretty backed up, like more than 9 months backed up. Healthcare pathway 10th January 2025. So this is the only pathway I have seen which is in 2025. More other than that, all of them are in last year. Most of them are in November and December of 2024, but couple of them like the AOS and the rural renewal stream and the tech pathway are in the first half of 2024. So pretty much backed up. Okay, so that's the total processing information for different streams. Now let us look into the expression of interest. Expression of interest pool is always growing. 46,000 candidates are in the pool, and more than 50% are in AOS, which is expected, followed by tourism and hospitality, then followed by rural renewal stream, and then I see the priority sector takes number 4, 2945, 2527 for tech pathway, and family connection is 2268. Law enforcement is a very small pathway, which is 73 people are in pool. So this is just the pool information. So many people are waiting in the queue to be more specific. Now let's come to the expression of interest draw section. The first draws of 2025 happened, and the first draw happened on 3rd February 2025, where 190 invitations were issued and the cutoff was 68. Dedicated healthcare pathway had 2 draws, one for express entry sec portion and one for the non-express entry portion, which is nothing but the dedicated pathway that is there. So for the express entry portion, 52 was the minimum score and 70 people were invited, and for the non-express entry, 50 was the minimum score and 48 people were invited. So you would see that even though the score is low, the number of invitations is also low. So it will all depend on different kind of permutation and combination of what are the different criterias for inviting people. If you have received the invitation, congratulations, and make sure you go through your emails, your details of what you were invited for before replying to the invitations. I wish you all the best for those reply to the invitations, but make sure you read your instructions very carefully. Okay, so that's the update from Alberta as of 7th of February. I think it came out on the weekend. I saw it last week, it was not there, so now it is out here. So yeah, so it is what it is. Congratulations again for anybody who got the invitation. If you guys have any questions, reach out to me, and I'll try my best to answer it. I will put out my QR codes again here. These are my QR codes for the WhatsApp group. If you want to join, have a good discussion, let's join. Let's have a very good discussion, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much.